Let me tell y'all what I ran into at Walmart. This is crazy, rare moment. This fucking bagged Audi, bro. I got his name tagged to. I'll tag his Instagram to the video, but this thing is clean. Yo, check it out. Damn, boy. See, this is why I need to get my level on, man. I haven't seen the back. It's clean though. He's clean. Ah, boy, you clean, son. It's crazy. So, hey, we back at it again. My boy Kevin, he's got the springs for his Nissan Altima, 2019. You know, lowered. I think it says 0.9 inches, something like that. I don't know, but we're gonna do that today. Lowering it. He did the tire lettering for his tires. That looks pretty dope. I like it. I mean, people's choice. I mean, you know, you like what you like. Looks pretty dope for what he did. So let me show you what Kevin started already. Bobby B.
My name is Blackstar. I'll surpass the power of the god.
Extrabulous.
So check it out. So I think we gotta take the A-frame off first. Take this off. Sorry, got that bolt off. And I'm pretty sure he already loosened these up at the top. So pretty much there, almost there. We're working on cars too. Sheesh. What are y'all doing?
Putting a lift on.
Y'all putting a lift on that thing?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, y'all mind if I do YouTube. I got a YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, go for it. That's fine, man.
Oh shit. Yo, that's crazy. They're going up 6 inches. We're going down 1.5 inches or so. Crazy day. It's a low high day.
But he should be back soon.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we gotta put one on the right side. It's looking good. Sheesh. Let's get it. All right, so there's Bobby B and his new springs. So as you can tell, the stock springs are the one I'm holding right there compared to the lowering springs. It's gonna drop it. What's that? Oh yeah, it's gonna get a nice little drop. Pretty decent. It's gonna look nice. What springs are these? You
I
know?
bought Pro Kit.
Pro Kit?
Yeah.
Oh shit. All right, Pro Kit. It's your turn. Cause what's the coilovers you got? K-Sport? Yeah, cause K-Sport they let us down. K-Sport at the time did not have 2019 coilovers, so we end up taking the L. Well, yeah, taking the L on the lowering the car with coilovers. But
Very disappointing.
very disappointed. Y'all done made Bobby be mad. Man, as y'all can tell, it's gotten a little bit darker out. We are still in the same side of spring we had. We had issues with the lower control arm, which is a bitch, man. It's hard, bro. But we finally got it. I took a lot of muscle to get it. Well, Bobby B, we did it. Woo. Finally got it, man. The lower control arm is a mofo, man. I will admit, I think I'd rather deal with the Infinity on lowering it, man. But this Altima, hopefully it looks nice, man. Hopefully. All right, here's the finished product. What y'all think? I think it sits pretty good. I like it, Kev. I like it. I like it a lot. It's pretty good. Sounds good.
Ooh, I smoke so much, don't blame God. Ooh, I fuck so much, don't blame God. Fuck a nigga up, then blame God. Screaming out loud, why God? Hey, that's on God.